Stress comes naturally to all of us. Jobs can be overwhelming, school grades can be impossible to maintain, our social lives can be so complicated, and so much more. But how we counter stress is what really makes the difference. Studies have proven various methods for relieving stress, from relaxation techniques to playing video games. Chill Island is a stress-relieving game using Google Cardboard VR technology. Players explore a virtual island at their own pace and discover unique sights, sounds, and pleasantly surprising Easter eggs. In one study published in 2009 in the Journal of Cybertherapy and Rehabilitation, researchers tested the effects of casual video games on gamers. The study found that of the games tested, participants experienced a decrease in withdrawal and depressive-type symptoms, along with an increase in brainwaves associated with euphoria and excitement. We've also found literature which would categorize games like ours as a relaxation technique in the vein of guided imagery, which has been shown to combat the effects of a myriad of conditions ranging from anxiety to nausea. So, we've already begun testing on campus at the University of Utah. Of nearly 30 surveyed students, all but a single participant reported a reduction in their level of stress after spending time in Chill Island. We've already begun to improve our game based on their feedback, as well as the feedback of advising professionals. We'd like to add some additional musical scores in order to further relieve stress. The feedback we've gotten has already influenced the content of our game. We've added more apparent points of interest to better allow the player to enjoy their time in-game without confusion. We've widened some areas to avoid feelings of claustrophobia. We would consider moving to additional VR platforms such as Gear VR in order to reduce jitter. Players can use the basic version of our game for free. After all, we don't want to cause people stress in order to play a game to de-stress. That said, with continual development on updates, we would monetize the game by selling bonus features. For example, calm wildlife that would roam around the island, which would cost less than $1 per add-on. Or entire level expansions to the game, which we would sell for somewhat more at around $3. We don't expect this to pose much of a financial burden on anyone, but enough additional content would provide a sustainable business model while allowing players to customize their own unique islands, giving them a sense of control over their space.